When it comes to choosing the perfect impact driver, two powerhouses dominate the market: Makita and Milwaukee. These brands have earned their reputations by delivering high-quality tools that cater to professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. But when you're standing in the tool aisle or scrolling through online reviews, the question remains, which one is right for you? The Makita XDT20Z and Milwaukee 2957-20 are two of the most popular impact drivers in their class, each offering unique strengths that make them stand out. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty construction projects, assembling furniture, or working on intricate repairs, these tools promise performance, durability, and innovation. But how do they stack up against each other? In this detailed comparison, we'll dive deep into their specifications, features, design, durability, price points, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's find out which impact driver deserves a spot in your toolbox. Specifications: the Makita XDT20Z and Milwaukee 2957-20 are both cordless impact drivers powered by advanced brushless motors, offering efficient performance and durability. The Makita XDT20Z delivers a maximum torque of 1,590 impounds, a no-load speed of up to 3,600 RPM, and up to 3,800 impacts per minute (IPM). It is designed with 4-speed power selection modes, weighs 2.29 pounds, bare tool, and measures 4.5 inches in length, making it compact and lightweight. On the other hand, the Milwaukee 2957-20 provides higher torque at 2,000 impounds, a faster no-load speed of up to 3,900 RPM, and an impressive 4,400 IPM. It also includes 4 drive control modes for versatility and weighs slightly less at 2.2 pounds with a length of 4.47 inches. While both tools are compact and portable, Milwaukee's higher torque and faster speeds make it more suitable for heavy-duty applications. However, Makita's lighter weight and slightly longer length enhance its handling for precision tasks. Features: Makita's XDT20Z impact driver is packed with features aimed at improving precision and control. Its standout feature is the quick shift mode, which optimizes torque and speed for efficient fastening. Additionally, it includes assist mode, A mode, to prevent screw cam out and cross-threading by starting at low speeds until tightening begins. For metal applications, the tightening mode, T mode, ensures accurate fastening with self-drilling screws. The tool also features a unique 360-degree LED light ring that provides excellent illumination in low-light conditions, as well as a reverse rotation auto stop mode that stops rotation when the fastener is loosened adequately. Milwaukee's 2957-20 takes customization and usability to the next level with its one-key technology. This feature allows users to customize settings via a smartphone app, track the tool's location, and even lock it if lost or stolen. The tool also offers ultimate trigger control for smooth acceleration to avoid stripping screws, and includes a self-tapping screw mode that automatically stops the driver when the fastener is seated to prevent overdriving or material damage. Its tri-LED lighting system brightens workspaces with minimal shadows, while single-handed bit insertion simplifies bit changes on the job. While both tools offer advanced features, Milwaukee's one-key technology provides an edge for tech-savvy users who want customization and tracking capabilities. Design: both Makita and Milwaukee have prioritized ergonomics in their impact driver designs. The Makita XDT20Z features a compact size of 4.5 inches and weighs just 2.29 pounds bare tool, making it easy to handle in tight spaces or during extended use. Its rubberized grip enhances comfort while reducing user fatigue. The all-metal gear housing ensures durability on job sites while maintaining a professional-grade feel. The Milwaukee 2957-20 is equally compact at 4.47 inches long, but weighs slightly less at 2.2 pounds. Its shorter length makes it even more maneuverable in confined spaces like cabinetry or automotive work areas. The tool includes an all-metal belt clip for easy portability on job sites and features durable housing that can withstand tough working conditions. While both tools are ergonomic and durable, Milwaukee's slightly shorter length gives it an edge in tight spaces, while Makita's rubberized grip enhances comfort during prolonged use. Durability and reliability. Both brands are well known for producing durable tools that can withstand demanding job site conditions. The Makita XDT20Z is built with all-metal gear housing for increased toughness and longevity. It also incorporates extreme protection technology, XPT, which enhances resistance to dust and water in harsh environments. Additionally, its brushless motor runs cooler and more efficiently than traditional motors, extending its lifespan. The Milwaukee 295720 is equally reliable thanks to its robust construction and advanced RedLink Plus intelligence system. This technology protects the tool from overheating or overloading by optimizing performance based on the task at hand. The brushless power state motor ensures consistent power delivery while reducing wear over time. Both tools are built to last. However, Milwaukee's RedLink Plus intelligence adds an extra layer of electronic protection that enhances reliability under heavy workloads. Price and warranty. When it comes to pricing, both brands offer competitive options depending on whether you're purchasing the bare tool or a kit with batteries included. The Makita XDT20Z typically ranges from $144 to $234 for the bare tool, while kits with 2 batteries can cost around $449. In comparison, the Milwaukee 295720 is priced slightly lower at $149 to $199 for the bare tool, with kits costing approximately $299, including 2 batteries. In terms of warranty, Milwaukee offers a significant advantage with its 5-year warranty compared to Makita's 3-year warranty with registration. This longer coverage period provides added peace of mind for buyers who want extended protection against defects or malfunctions. For budget-conscious buyers seeking value for money and better warranty coverage, Milwaukee stands out as the more attractive option. Power and performance. In terms of power output and overall performance, both tools excel but cater to different needs. The Makita XDT20Z delivers reliable performance with its maximum torque of 1,590 pounds. It excels in precision tasks due to its 4-speed settings and specialized modes like A mode, assist mode, and T mode, tightening mode. These features make it particularly effective when working with materials like wood or metal where controlled fastening is required. On the other hand, the Milwaukee 295720 outshines Makita in power-intensive tasks thanks to its higher torque of 2,000 pounds and faster speeds of up to 3,900 RPM. It drives screws faster into tougher materials such as hardwood or masonry while maintaining consistent performance under load. Additionally, its one-key customization allows users to tailor settings for specific applications, further enhancing efficiency on demanding job sites. For heavy-duty applications requiring maximum power output and speed efficiency, Milwaukee is clearly the superior choice. Additional considerations. Makita's XDT20Z impact driver prioritizes versatility across various tasks. Its multiple speed settings make it suitable for light-duty precision work as well as medium-load applications like driving screws into wood or metal surfaces. Features like the LED light ring provide excellent visibility in dim environments, making it ideal for professionals who need a balance of power, precision, and ergonomics. Milwaukee's 295720 focuses on delivering unmatched power combined with advanced technological features like one-key customization. This makes it perfect for tradespeople who require high performance on challenging tasks such as construction or automotive repair, where time efficiency matters most. So, which is better? Both Makita XDT20Z and Milwaukee 295720 are exceptional impact drivers designed for different use cases. Choose Makita XDT20Z if you prioritize precision work across various materials like wood or metal, while valuing ergonomic handling and specialized modes for controlled fastening. Opt for Milwaukee 295720 if you need maximum power output combined with advanced features like one-key technology for customization or tracking purposes. For general contractors or professionals working on diverse projects requiring precision across materials like wood or metal, Makita is an excellent choice. For general contractors or professionals working on diverse projects requiring precision across materials like wood or metal, Makita is an excellent choice. For tradespeople focused on high-demand tasks such as construction or automotive repair, where power efficiency matters most, Milwaukee stands out as the top performer. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific requirements, whether it's lightweight handling or raw power combined with cutting-edge features like app-based customization.